Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Polenta, a dish born from humble beginnings, has grown into a versatile staple across many cultures. It's simply cooked cornmeal, yet its ability to adapt makes it a favorite side or main course. Its creamy texture provides a comforting base for many flavors. Cured meats also have a long, rich history. These traditions, often passed down through generations, transformed basic ingredients into flavorful, lasting provisions. From Italian prosciutto to Spanish chorizo, each type tells a story of preservation and taste. When polenta and cured meats meet, they create a truly special experience. The rich, salty notes of the cured meats balance beautifully with polenta's gentle sweetness and smooth texture. This pairing isn't just about two ingredients, it's about a culinary tradition that celebrates simplicity and profound flavor. Understanding polenta, more than just cornmeal. Polenta might seem straightforward, just cooked cornmeal. But its true character lies in the details. The type of cornmeal you choose, especially its grind, dramatically affects the final texture. You can find fine, medium, or coarse grinds. A fine grind gives you a very smooth, creamy polenta. Medium grind offers a bit more body and a slightly rustic feel. For a truly hearty polenta with distinct texture, go for a coarse grind. Understanding these differences helps you make the perfect polenta for any dish. Traditional Italian polenta preparation. The classic way to make polenta is a lesson in patience. You start with good quality cornmeal, water or broth, and a pinch of salt. The key is to add the cornmeal slowly to boiling liquid, whisking constantly to prevent lumps. After that initial mix, the real work begins. You'll need to stir the polenta for a significant amount of time, usually 45 minutes to an hour, sometimes even longer for very coarse grinds. This constant stirring is crucial for two main reasons. It breaks down the starch in the cornmeal, making the polenta incredibly creamy and smooth. It prevents the polenta from sticking to the bottom of the pot and burning. Think of it like a slow dance. You're gently guiding the cornmeal to its perfect texture, always moving. This method yields a wonderfully rich and comforting polenta, perfect for soaking up the flavors of hearty cured meats. Quick and modern polenta techniques. While traditional polenta is amazing, sometimes time is of the essence. That's where quicker methods come in handy. Instant polenta is pre-cooked and dried, cutting down cooking time to just a few minutes. It's a lifesaver on busy weeknights. While it might not have the exact same depth of flavor or rustic texture as slow-cooked polenta, it's still good. When should you use it? When you need a quick side dish, for thickening stews or sauces. When a soft, creamy consistency is all you need. Oven-baked polenta is another great option if you want to avoid constant stirring. You combine cornmeal and liquid in a baking dish, then bake it low and slow. This method frees up your hands and results in a firm, sliceable polenta that's perfect for grilling or frying later. This method also works well when you're preparing a larger meal and need oven space anyway. Both instant and oven-baked polenta offer excellent shortcuts without completely sacrificing quality. It's all about choosing the right tool for the job. The world of cured meats, a symphony of flavors. Curing meat is an ancient skill. It's about more than just keeping food from spoiling, it's about making flavors richer and more complex. Salt, thyme, and sometimes smoke or spices work together to transform simple cuts into something truly special. Each region has its own way of doing it, leading to a huge variety of tastes and textures. From delicate slices of prosciutto to robust salami, cured meats bring depth and excitement to any meal, especially when paired with creamy polenta. Prosciutto, the king of cured hams. Prosciutto is arguably the most famous cured ham. It's known for its delicate texture and a perfect balance of sweet and savory notes. Different regions produce distinct types of prosciutto, each with its own story. Prosciutto di Parma comes from pigs raised in specific areas. It's aged for at least 12 months, often longer. This long process gives it a very smooth, buttery texture and a subtle, nutty sweetness. Prosciutto di San Daniele hails from Friuli Venezia Giulia. It's unique for its guitar shape and a deeper, more aromatic flavor. It's often aged for 13 months or more, becoming incredibly tender. The thinness of the slices is key. When you drape a delicate piece of prosciutto over warm polenta, its fat gently melts. This adds a beautiful sheen and an explosion of flavor that complements the polenta's creamy mildness perfectly. Salami and sopraszotta, fermented and flavorful. Salami covers a wide family of cured sausages. They are made from ground meat, often pork, mixed with spices, then fermented and air-dried. This process gives salami its distinctive tangy and savory taste. You can find spicy salamis with added chili flakes. Mild salamis often feature garlic and black pepper. Fennel salami is a popular choice with its aromatic anise notes. Sopraszotta is a type of salami with a more rustic feel. It often has larger pieces of meat and fat, giving it a coarser texture. Its flavor is robust and intense, standing up well to other strong tastes. The firm chew of salami and the rustic bite of sopraszotta create a fantastic contrast with soft polenta. They add a punch of flavor and a satisfying texture that really makes the dish sing. Pancetta and guanciale, savory and rich. Pancetta and guanciale are two Italian cured meats prized for their rich fat content, which is key to their intense flavor. While often confused, they come from different parts of the pig. Pancetta is cured pork belly. It's usually rolled and aged. You can use it in many ways. Sauté it until crispy for a crunchy topping. Render it slowly into a sauce for deep savory notes. Guanciale comes from the pig's jowl. It has a higher fat content than pancetta and an even more intense flavor. It's a classic in pasta dishes like carbonara. Both pancetta and guanciale add incredible depth to polenta. As their fat melts, it coats the polenta, creating an unbelievably rich and savory experience. Whether you crisp them up or let them soften into the warm polenta, they transform the dish into something truly indulgent. Beyond Italy, cured meats from around the globe. While Italy offers a treasure trove of cured meats, the tradition spans the globe. Many cultures have perfected their own unique methods, each offering new flavors to explore. Spanish jamon serrano is a dry cured ham, similar to prosciutto but often with a deeper, nuttier flavor. Its firm texture and savory profile make it a wonderful counterpoint to creamy grains. French saucisson includes a variety of cured sausages. Some are soft and spreadable, while others are firm and chewy. They come with different herbs and spices, offering a wide range of tastes. These global examples highlight how versatile cured meats are. Imagine pairing the smoky notes of a Hungarian kolbász with polenta, or the spicy kick of a Portuguese chorizo. Each international cured meat brings its own legacy and flavor, promising an exciting new spin on the simple, comforting base of polenta. That's the story behind this timeless combination. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.